Coming straight from the sewer. Am I drowning? Am I drowning? Am I drowning? Am I drowning? It's a shotgun, baby! Run! Go! Get to the chopper! We got a Black Hawk down, we got a Black Hawk down. Fuck.
The sun is shining and the grass is green. Under the 3 feet of snow, I mean. Get up, get up, get up, drop the gun, get up, get up. We will rock you.
Coming straight from the sewer. Click, click, boom. Trigger happy.
Got an AK-47, well you know it makes me feel alright. Got an Uzi by my pillow, helps me sleep a little better at night. There's no feeling any greater than to shoot first and ask questions later. Now I'm trigger happy every day.
I'm angry. I'm spitting angry. I'm like a tornado of anger, swirling about.
Hey Timmy, what's wrong with you today, man?
I'm just feeling a little down in the dumps right now.
Boom! Headshot!
Dad!
I am not your dad. I am Electric Man.
I'm sad alone in a boggy marsh.
Father, I have a confession. I may have not crashed the truck into a tree with the cat on top of the tree.
What?
The cat is dead.
You know what it cost me to buy you that truck? I had to give up a whole week of McDonald's.
Father, I think I crashed the other truck.
What? Again?
Coming straight from the sewer.
Damn it! But we already did.
Did you fraps that? Did you fraps that? Put it in the bloopers. Pretty. I win. I win so hard.
Yeah, you got it?
I might have not smashed the truck into a pole.
What?
My transaction shit. Too many motherfuckers. I can live my shit. My weekly statement shit. Too many motherfuckers. I can live my shit. With my balance shit.
Wow, what is that?
Yo, you knifed me twice.
I clicked once. Look,
You did that on
once.
purpose.
I swear I one click. One.
Gonna get vicious and malicious. Cut the chips. I need my red delicious. Tells me that's and my money Granny Smith up and avocado.
Oh my god!
Mango.
What did I hit?
And pop an apple in his ass.
Oh, is that my car? Oh no, my phone's gonna kill me! It's gonna kill me!
He's gonna wake up in a smoothie. Everybody come on. Yeah. Too many motherfuckers, I can live my